Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Will Reed here at Native Son Farm, and we wanted to tell you guys about our recent acquisition of this vintage tractor. This is a 1949 Allis-Chalmers Model G made over in Gadsden, Alabama. And what's unique about this tractor is that the engine is mounted on the back. And so you can see this is the engine right here. It's a very simple tractor, very small. And so since the engine is on the back, it means it's not in the front. And so the operator has an unimpeded view of the crops below them, in this case the asphalt, and the cultivators. So it's a mighty cool toy. Came out of Ohio, something that we've been after for really since the beginning of my farming career. So I'm going to hop on and see if we can get it started. So as you can see, the tractor is very small, which is pretty cool. Look out, Hugger. Come on. Try to put her in neutral here. Turn on the fuel line.